In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task list in Clio Manage. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a reusable task list template that your team can apply consistently, saving time and reducing errors across matters. To get started, navigate to the left side of your Clio Manage dashboard and open Tasks. This is your home base for all task-related work. You'll likely see your existing tasks and filters here, but don't worry. We're not modifying individual tasks right now. We're heading to the area where you build templates that can be applied again and again. In the top right corner of this page, click Task Lists. This section is dedicated to templates rather than one-off tasks. Think of a task list as a blueprint for a process, ideal for things like client onboarding, standard filings, or any recurring workflow in your practice. Next, click New Task List to start building a fresh template. This opens the setup screen where you'll define key details that make your list easy to recognize and use. Begin by entering a name in the name field. Choose a clear, descriptive title that your team will immediately understand. Many firms include the matter type or phase, and sometimes the practice area, to make it easily searchable. For example, you might incorporate words like intake, discovery, or closing to reflect the process the list covers. If it's helpful, add a description in the description field. This is optional, but it's a great place to outline the purpose of the list, the intended use cases, or any special instructions your team should remember. A sentence or two can prevent confusion later and ensure uniform execution. You can also select a practice area from the dropdown, which is optional. Assigning a practice area can make it easier to find and apply the right list when working within specific types of matters. If your list is designed to be universal, you can leave this blank so it's usable across the board. When you're satisfied with the setup, choose how you want to save. Click Save and add tasks if you're ready to begin adding the individual tasks that make up this list right away. This takes you directly into building out the steps. If you're just setting up the template shell for now, click Save and Close. You can return later to finish adding tasks when you're ready. That's it for creating a task list template in Clio Manage. Clear naming, a helpful description, and thoughtful use of practice areas will make these lists easy to find and apply consistently. Thanks for watching.